What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to install LED strobe brake lights on a 2016 Mazda 3 or the third generation Mazda 3. So some reasons why you would want these is because they're LEDs, so they're much brighter than the stock brake lights, but also because they flash or strobe. And a good reason that you would want strobing brake lights is because people are more likely to see you than with just a regular brake light. And a personal reason why I want these is because I was rear-ended about a year and a half ago, and I feel like if I had these on, it probably would have prevented the amount of damage that happened. But yeah, so let's get started on the installation real quick. You can see that they have a bunch of LEDs just spread out throughout the bulb, and then they have a little like half sphere bulb like thingy right there. And then inside you have 4 more LED chips so it can project forward. So I'm going to replace one and leave one of the OEM bulbs in so you can see the comparison between the two. So let's get to it. So the first thing you'll want to do is come to the trunk, open the trunk, and there will be push pins right here. And there's one back here. And if you want to, you can remove the one down here, but you don't really need to. So let me do that really quick. So once you have this lining down and folded down, you'll see the turn signal bulb and then this blue one, which is the brake bulb. So in order to get this one out, you just pinch the tab right here, wiggle it, and then pull it out, pull the cable out, and then turn the brake bulb counterclockwise, and it should come out. And this is what it looks like. So once you have this part out, you'll want to pull the bulb out, but be careful because you could break it. And then you have the LED bulb, and you just snap it into place like so. And then you come back over here and alright, a car just passed by, sorry. And then you'll just put it back in the socket and then turn clockwise until you hit a click, and then you plug the cable back in, and you should be ready to go. So let's test them out. So now you'll see the difference. The LED bulbs over here and the brake lights, OEM brake lights, is right here. And you can see that this one's a lot brighter than this one because it's an LED. And I'll just show you the strobe effect. Do it again. See that? I'm pretty sure people will see that more than likely than this one over here. So let's get both of them installed and I'll show you what they both look like. This is what they both look like when they're on. And you can see that they reach pretty far, so no one has an excuse to not see them, even during the day. And one thing I forgot to mention is that these ones are 7440, 7443. Those are the bulbs that you need for a Mazda 3. They're from Brishine, and I got these on Amazon, so I'll throw a link in the description. You can also see that they come with a 1-year warranty, so just in case they go bad, which hopefully they don't. But these only cost like $13. So I think these are a pretty good upgrade in terms of safety. So if you want them, I'll link them in below. And if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.